Hi everybody, I'm Katie Oskin from Cater's Acres. It is truly a joy to have you join me in my studio today. Welcome to each and to every one of you. I want to tell you about something special about the Whimsical Sculpting Tutorials Club. This year it's new, it's revamped, and it's fabulous. And I can't wait to share it with you. We have a fantastic lineup of new, exciting, and great projects for you this year, beginning here in January with the Arctic Blast, a blast of fresh, exciting, fun, cute, and adorable projects for you to sculpt your way into a wintry wonderland. But I want to tell you what it is. Membership programs come with one thing overall, and that's value. Because a membership program comes with perks, at least mine does. So you're getting two tutorials, at the cost of what one tutorial in my shop would normally be. And in addition to that, you're also getting a live video. This year, you're getting a chat with me during the month. You're getting behind the scenes info, and you're getting a giveaway, all because you're a member of the Whimsical Sculpting Tutorials Club. So why would you want to join a club? There are lots of reasons why you want to join a club. The first is because you join for like-minded people who want to do things the way you do. We're whimsical sculptors. We like things that are cute, cuddly, maybe a little bit off kilter, but things that make your heart feel good, things that make you smile, adorable creations that you can give to family, to friends, to put on cakes, to sit on shelves, things that bring joy to your life, to your home, things that you can give as gifts that bring joy to others. And let's be honest, after the 2020 we just had, who doesn't need more joy in their lives? My club is only $9.95 a month, and it's a very small price to pay to learn a new skill, to learn to grow in art. There's a lot of techniques and concepts that with each tutorial go into them to help to broaden your horizon, not only in art, but in polymer clay as a whole. And for this very small price, you get a piece of me, a piece of my heart. You get to see me and interact with me every month, as well as the other members in the club. And there are some fantastic people in this club, you guys, that are willing to share their joy and their love and a piece of their heart and a piece of who they are with you as well. So joining a membership club has a lot of benefit as well. We come together as one big happy family, and not only is it fun, but it's exciting to see each other grow, to see someone start as a new sculptor and to blossom and to watch them grow in their art. I invite you to come and to join us, to grow not only in your art form, but to learn about polymer clay, to see what it is, to see how to take an ordinary thing and to make it have personality and character, and to pose it and to make it new and fresh and exciting over and over and over again, to see how to use common everyday materials in your work. I invite you, it's my personal invitation to you to take and invest in yourself in 2021. I can't wait to see you, and I sincerely hope that you would think about coming and joining me. Thank you so much for your time today. I cannot wait to see you. I can't wait to grow with you. I can't wait to learn with you. I can't wait to chat with you and to see you on live and give you a chance to win some awesome stuff and to grow with you in 2021. Won't you come and join me? I can't wait. Sculpt your dreams. I will talk to you soon. Bye.